Hello, ladies, and welcome back to Sisterland Investors. I am your host, Elizabeth, and today we're talking all about power moves, how moms are building wealth through land in uncertain times. I know all of you have been listening to the news and what's going on with the economy, inflation, and we hear it all the time from you ladies and from family and friends. So we're going to devote this Sisterland Investors podcast, the podcast where moms don't just survive, they thrive. I'm your host, Elizabeth, a land investor, a business lady, and mindset mentor. Oh, and not forget a full-time mom. Today's episode is special. It's about you. Yes, you can become a powerful mom, land investor, even during uncertain economic times. We talk about mindset, which I absolutely love, opportunity, risk, time management, and how we're watching moms flip land from the comfort of their kitchen countertops, creating income, confidence, and legacy. Why now it's the time to invest? People say now is not a good time to invest. We, on the other hand, say now is the best time to invest. Uncertainty creates opportunity. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, ladies. Uncertainty. And we are in uncertain times. Interest rates are sky high. The news talks about the recession, inflation, layoffs, AI is taking over a lot of your jobs. Most people freeze. They freeze during these times. But you know who doesn't? Bold investors. Bold investors with a vision. This is why uncertainty isn't a stop sign. It's a spotlight because when most people pull back, the few who lean in can find the best deals. Why? Let's break it down, ladies. Number one, more motivated sellers. When people feel financial pressure, they're more willing to part with land, something that they don't even go out to, they haven't seen in years, they no longer use or want, they need the cash. So they're ready to do the deal. Market inventory increases for land. This means more below market inventory. Faster negotiation, better terms for you. We bought properties at 50 to 20 cents on the dollar, ladies, from people who were just done, ready to walk away. They needed the cash for whatever reason. It doesn't happen in hot markets. So again, another reason why less competition. During uncertain times, many investors retreat. They wait on the sidelines. That's your window of opportunity. Fewer offers mean less bidding wars, which I love. Less competition means you have the leverage. You can move slowly and still win great deals. Like Cindy tells me all the time, this is where confidence beats speed. You don't need to rush. You just need to show up when others don't. And this is the beauty about what the economy is at the moment. Our opportunity, ladies, to start investing in land. Buy low, sell a little higher. Smart investors buy when others are scared. That's what makes other investors very successful because they buy when everyone else is scared. The deals you buy low today, you'll sell for much more when the market recovers. That's how generational wealth is built. Think about 2008. We were there. Everyone, a lot of people were there. A lot of mamas were there. If you weren't, it's similar to that. Some people panicked and lost everything. Others bought when prices were low, and now their portfolio are worth millions. Yes, ladies, we're not here to scare you. We're here to prepare you because uncertainty isn't the enemy. It's the entry point. It's where bold women like yourself step forward while everyone else steps back. It's where prices drop, motivator sellers rise. Land is still in demand, especially rural land and recreational land. Everyone wants to get away from the city or they don't want to pay a big mortgage on a big house. They go off to the country to find less costly properties. And this is where they'll build their family. This is where moms thrive. And this is our key point right here. Land is still on demand. Many people are looking to go away. They lost their jobs. They want less on taxes in their properties or a smaller home, they go off to rural areas, especially rural and recreational land. It's still very highly in demand. This is where moms thrive, making smart, grounded decisions that protect and grow your family's future. When others are panicking, we're preparing. Ladies, we're here to prepare. We're all preparing. What makes moms powerful investors? Well, moms are built for land investing. Here's why. We're naturally resourceful, stretching budgets and finding creative solutions. We're long-term thinkers, ladies. We invest with family in mind. Everything we do, we think about our kids. How is this going to affect our family? And if you don't, you should start thinking about your family in the future. We're detail-oriented, perfect for doing land due diligence. Plus, land investing is peaceful. No fixing roofs, no evicting tenants, just research, offers, flipping for profit. That's all we do. Moms can run this from anywhere, literally anywhere. How it works. Okay, here's a satellite view, ladies. For those that are new and are not sure how this works, quick satellite view. Find undervalued vacant land. And we teach you all this in the apprenticeship. We show you where to go and how to do it, how to send offers, usually 10 to 30 cents on the dollar. Buy, then you resell for a profit, either for cash or you finance like a bank, which I absolutely love. The math is usually, okay, let's do the quick math, ladies. 3K to 10K per deal. This is just a quick little example for all of you here. Let's talk numbers. You buy a lot for 3,000. This is an example. And then you turn around and sell it for 9,000. That's a 6K profit within 4 to 6 weeks. Even if you do one deal every 2 months, that's still 30K a year. You don't have to go hardcore on this. 30K extra of side income. For most moms, this could be life-changing. For a lot of moms, this could be life-changing, but it's just a little extra for your kids, for dinners, for a little trip or weekend getaway. I think it's beautiful. Time and tools to run this, I would say it doesn't take 40 hours or 80 hours a week. It doesn't. For us, it's usually 5 to 10 hours a week. You don't need like 9 to 5. You need 5 to 10 focused hours while your kids nap during the week, before work, on a Saturday morning, while kids are at school or at camp. Perfect for moms and busy ladies. Ladies, it's time to take action. Don't sit and be scared and wait, because that's what everyone's doing. You have to take action. If you ever thought, I want something of my own, this is your invitation. This is your invitation. If you want something of your own, you want to create something extra, this is your invitation to get started right now. You don't need to have it all figured out. Most people think everything has to be perfect. No. Leave perfection off to the side. You don't need to have it all figured out. Just one next move at a time. Join our Sisterland Investors community. Sign up for the land apprenticeship if you're ready to start investing, learning how and where to find the under market value land. Specifically, this we did specifically for busy moms and corporate working women, busy women. Don't let fear decide your future. Let vision lead to you. Let your family witness your power. Be a role model for your kids, because you're not just investing in land, you're investing in yourself, in your family, and freedom and options and impact. Let's flip the economy in our favor, ladies, and do this together. Sister Land Investor style. The affirmation of the week. Are you ready, ladies? I am powerful creator of wealth. My time is valuable. My decisions are strong. My future is secure. Until next time, keep investing boldly, lovingly, fiercely, and flipping land like a queen that you are. I love you, ladies, and we'll see you next week.